We got Summize at a really important time. There wasn't a lot of organization, any real CLM to speak of when we first got here. And so we were kind of thrown into it and needed to pretty much make sure that we had a system in place that we would be able to manage even just the requests coming in. Really, it was kind of the Wild West over here in terms of a legal process. And so at that point, we were just really happy to have anything, anything. A lot of people were not used to having any sort of legal process. And so, our predecessors did try and rein that in, but a lot of people were used to doing, the contracts their way. They'd been doing it for a long time. And so they were hesitant to kind of adopt a process. We had really good reception after we presented Summize to the greater business. There was a lot of excitement. I think people were certainly a little nervous about changing the process again, and worried that it was just going to be another step that they were going to have to do, and it was going to be less efficient. But our teams were excited to look at it and start using it. They did see the value. The organization, the access that it would provide, the single place where they could get all of the resources, where they could one place to submit a request, all the visibility that it also provided and the transparency was huge. We are mostly using it within the repository and request function, but excited to do things like get our playbooks in there and the analytics. But it has made everything easier, certainly easier than it was before when we didn't have anything. It's been really helpful to have the one place, know that nothing's missing, and then just to be able to track what we're actually doing in our work. We have data to show this is how long things are taking. This is how long, this process is taking. This is the amount of time we've saved. Things are reviewed much more quickly. Things are going from probably taking at least 24 hours to review a SOW request to it taking, a couple hours. We still have the high volume, but we're able to massively improve our turnaround times. Summize has certainly helped us build that trust between our team and the rest of the company, without a doubt. I think the fact that you can see how many people are consistently using the software, who are checking in, who are able to access what they need, who can navigate things a lot more independently, has built so much trust.